Hello, everyone, and welcome to another Motivational Monday. I am your host, David Lewis. If you remember the 1995 Oscar-winning film with Tom Hanks, we can learn a lot from Forrest Gump. To most people in the town where he came from, Forrest was considered the village idiot. But his mama taught him one great thing, and that was that you can learn something from everybody you meet in this life and from everything you experience along the way. With Mama's wisdom, along with the understanding that stupid is as stupid does, he went a long way on the little bit of intelligence he was born with. You see, like Forrest, most smart people learn from everything and everybody. When things go sideways from what they thought they would, smart people learn from what not to do. Like the genius Thomas Edison, who didn't quit when he failed to create a working incandescent light bulb several thousand times before getting it right and changing the world. Instead of quitting, he said, "I have not failed, I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." You see, average people learn from their experience. They may stick their finger in an electric socket one time, but that one experience is enough so that they never do it again. You may consider yourself just an average person, but that doesn't mean you can't be as smart as others who seem to excel at everything they do. You just need to start learning from those who have something worth learning from and adding their experience and knowledge to your own. If someone seems to have something worth learning and you don't know it, don't be shy or ashamed. Just ask them to show you how they do it. You might be surprised to see how much help you get when you're curious enough to ask. Don't settle for being average. You're likely to find that you're smarter than you think and capable of achieving things you once thought only real lucky or special people could achieve. And then there are those stupid people. And stupid in the sense that you might not think I mean. These stupid people are the ones who think they already have all the answers, so there's nothing they can learn from anybody. They may not actually be stupid in intellectual potential. Some are just too proud, and their ego won't let them admit that they could learn something from others, so they don't ask. Others may be too uptight emotionally in their personality to ask someone else about things that would help them grow, or to invest in their own personal development and learning new things. The thing is this: there truly is a potential Forrest Gump in all of us. You're the master of your own destiny. But that is the things that learning is all about, and what you expose yourself to and the people you surround yourself with, and those are the people you learn from that will usually determine how high you can climb on the ladder of life and success. So don't ever let a day pass by that you don't learn something new, to broaden your horizon and open your mind to what others can share with you. Never forget, if you are the smartest person in the room, then you're in the wrong room.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.